Hey guys, T here. We're in the kitchen today instead of in the shop. We're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna cook deer carrots. Big honking carrots. My wife bought 50 pounds of deer carrots and we throw them out for the deer to eat during the late autumn, early winter. We also do that with deer apples, but apple season's over, so we're stuck with these, or the deer stuck with these. Anyway, I want to try to eat them. Let's roast them today and see if humans can eat them. I think they can. I think maybe they're a little tough, big as these boys are, but we're going to see. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get cooking. We're going to put a little olive oil into our roasting pan. Our pan's nice and hot, and we're going to put these carrots in here. We got a little sizzle, like that. Want to get as much surface of the carrots onto the pan so that they'll brown, and that'll add to the flavor and it'll caramelize them a little bit. These are pretty good. I think a little more in the oven. I think these are ready. Oh wow, these are great. Nice and sweet. No wonder the deer like them. A little bit tougher than the carrots you might buy at the supermarket, but nice and sweet. I wouldn't hesitate to serve these on Thanksgiving or Christmas. So, thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. See you soon.